Welcome back to another episode of Camper Hack. Today we're going to reseal a door in this old camper, as well as make a new gutter. So we just came back from doing some winter storm camping this weekend. One thing we found out during this winter storm is that this door is not sealed very well at all. I mean, I already knew that, but I got to really experience it this time with this rainstorm. So I got it closed. You can see there's a lot of play here. And the rain will pool up right here, drip over, slide down, and then just stream in there. And so we need to do a couple of things to remedy this. One, we need to cut down on all the draft and everything by resealing this. So we're going to replace all this old window seal that's here. Take all that down, clean it up, replace it with some window foam. Then we're going to take some of this silicone rubber seal of the extra large variety, and if it works out well enough, we're going to go ahead and line the doors somewhere as well, so it keeps the draft out, keeps the rain out. And I think the biggest improvement overall, though, we'll be adding this gutter-like flashing. So how I'll do this is I'll just remove all the screws right here on that bottom part, shove this up underneath it, zip the screws back in after I cut it to size. That way when the water overflows, it'll go down into the gutter and will pour off either side of the truck instead of right in the tailgate area. So that will be a huge help. So I'm going to go ahead and set you up and probably put you on time lapse now that you know the game plan, and you can just sit back, enjoy the show. Right, and here's what we ended up with. It's a little stickier now. It's definitely a firmer fit. Went with so now it's sealed all the way around. Maybe did a little overdone. I don't know if there is such a thing when it comes to insulating things. I'm trying to keep the weather out. And I left a layer on the outside of the door as well. That has a really nice seal. Okay, next step, we're gonna remove those screws, figure out what size to get that flashing, and work. Not sure when the GoPro battery died on y'all, but we got it finished up. So I had a little, I was having a hell of a time there. Underneath the flashing is the camper aluminum, and that was sticking out at the edge, and then I had the flashing on top of it, and so the flashing I was trying to shove up in there that I'm using for the gutter was getting pinched between the two, and it was causing me all kinds of trouble. So turned out a little more banged up than I wanted it to. It's a little bit more trouble than I expected, but oh well, that's life. But all in all, I think the end result is still going to be what we want it to be. I'll do a little bit of fine tuning as we go, but that's what we ended up with. I made it extra long on the sides there, so that when the water's spilling over, it's not spilling over right into the tailgate. It'll spill over the side of the truck instead. So that'll be a big help. It'll keep everything dry. Down here, looks a little goofy, but I'm okay with that. That's gonna do it for this video, guys. I'll probably keep fine-tuning as the days go on, and we'll put it to the test here this next weekend over Christmas break when we do some camping. Weather's probably going to turn to crap on us again like it always does, so we'll give it a good proper storm test then. But for the purpose of this video, I think that's going to do it. Thanks for sticking around this long. Hope to help you in some way. Hope you found it entertaining. If you did, smash that like button. Hit subscribe. It'll be somewhere down in here. There's a little icon for that. Make sure to hit that notification so you know when the next video drops. Keep following the adventures of Pig and the camper rebuild, LB7 Duramax. We got a Chevy we're going to be working on here pretty soon. We got the old Toyota. We got all kinds of things to do this winter. So the fun never ends. See you on the next one. Just kidding. I snipped it flush. Let's see if that makes a difference. It was bugging me a little bit. Still has the desired effect.